Hello friends, this is a crochet lace. In this pattern I am using the very thin yarn specially used for lace or edging. This type of yarn, and I am using the 1.75 mm crochet hook. And one craft scissor. Let us start. First, make one slip knot. Make 36 foundation chains, multiple by 6, and plus 4 chain, means total you take 30 chains. Here my foundation chains are 36, and then take 4 more chains, and then I am going to the, you skip the two chain, skip the 2 chain, means you go to the 34 chain from your hook and make 1 double crochet. And 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And make 2 chain, and skip the next 2 stitches, go to the 3rd stitch and make 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Two chain, skip the next 2 stitches and go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, and then you make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. You repeat the same stitch in this round. This is the last 3 stitches. You skip the next 2 stitches and go to the 3rd stitch, and here you make only 1 double crochet. And turn your work for next round and make 1 single crochet in the space, very first space, and make 1 2 chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more chain and make 1 double crochet in the same space. This is the V-stitch pattern. You repeat it in this round. You skip the next 2 stitches and go to the space between 4 DC stitch. Here you make 1 DC, 2 chain, 1 more DC in the same space. Repeat it. For next round, you turn your work and make 1 single crochet in the very first space and make 2 more chain, count as a first double crochet and make 2 more double crochet in the same space. And then you go to the next space and make 3 double crochet. You repeat the same pattern, same stitch in this round. For next round, you turn your work and go to the, you skip the very first stitch, go to the second stitch with single crochet and make 1 chain, count as a first half DC and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch and make 4 chain, 2, 3, 4 chain and go to the 4th chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch and then make 1 half DC in the same stitch. You repeat it. You skip the next 2 stitches, go to the next stitch and make 1 half DC and then make 1 DC make 4 chain, go to the 4th chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. After that you make 1 half double crochet in the same stitch and then you skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third and repeat the same pattern in this round. You repeat it in this round. Hello friends, I have finished my crochet lace and this is very unique pattern. You can try it. You can make the same pattern using the crochet thread. And please subscribe my channel for more easy pattern. Thank you.